Hi again. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to efficiently make a table of contents. So one of the problems in making this type of document is the management of is how you manage the columns and the numberings. So most of the things that we need for this activity is already been discussed in the previous video, which is the tabs and tab stops. So in this case, I would like to emphasize on the numberings side. So this is what we call numberings. So in the types of list, there are two types of list: the ordered list and the unordered list. As you can see in this section, on the upper left corner, you can see bullets, numbers, and multi-level list. So bullets are considered as unordered list, meaning this is applicable for list that does not have a particular sequence or steps, and for list with sequence, then you need to use numbers or letters and Roman numerals, etc. So all these lists are classified or can be configured as a multi-level list. So this is an example of a multi-level list. So meaning there is a level 1, there's a level 2, 3, and so on. So for this activity, we will be using this format. So first level is 1, second level is 1.1, this one. There is a particular indent to the succeeding levels. So this list, as you can see, all of these lists are classified as first level list. So how do you apply a list or set a list to a second level list? So you just need to select, first is you need to select the list and then go to multi-level list, then select or look for change level list, then set it to level 2. That's it. So the same, change level list level, then level 2. Another way is doing it manually. You just need to insert the cursor before the list and then press tab, 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 or you can apply it to more list. Just highlight the list and then press tab. So say for example this one. So what if you have accidentally set a first level list to second level list? So how do you do that? How do you return it to the first level? So just need to change level list, less level, then set it to level 1. Or you can just press the reverse shortcut, which is shift tab. So if you want to set a list to the next level, lower level, you just need to press tab. If you want to return it back one level higher, you just need to press shift tab. Okay, so this one. So in this case, I have highlighted the first level list, which I set to bold, so it would be easier for me to apply list, a multi-level list. So in this case, we have sort of a problem with the spacing between the numbers and the list. So we have to fix this one. We just need to go to define new list style, and then we need to, I think this is incorrect, multi-level list. So this one, define new multi-level list, then just select level 2. So what we need to do with level 2, we need to adjust because the numbering is overlapping with the measurement of this list. So we need to set it higher. So the text indent at, let's say for example 0.65. So we have fixed the problem already. So the next step for this is to apply tab stop leaders. So you need to go to paragraph, then set. If you want to do it manually, it's up to you, but you cannot apply leaders to this if you don't use this dialog box. So we'll just set the tab leaders tab stop to 6.5, so it would sit in the right margin, so 6.5 inch, and then let's align it to right. So as you can see, it is aligned to right, so alignment is right. And then the type of leader that is used, which is 2, then just set the settings to apply, and then OK. Now we have a working table of contents. That's all, and if you have questions, just feel free to ask it. Thank you.